How to tap test specific items. Remove the test plate from the clear sleeve. Remove the lid from the test plate and set it aside. Gently tap the item you wish to test with the plate 1 to 2 times. Make sure that the agar material is exposed to the item being tested when tapping. The puffs of air created from the tapping motion will cause any mold spores embedded in the item to attach to the agar material. Place the lid back on the test plate. Seal the plate closed with tape. Label the plate with the name of the object tested and the date. Wrap the sealed plate in aluminum foil and place the wrapped and labeled plate in a drawer or cabinet. If you have more questions, visit us at microbalancehealthproducts.com or leave them for us in the comments.